I have a tiida 2006. I'm going to program the remotes. The program remote processor is like that. You have to complete the step within 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds you have to complete the step. So first close all the door, press the center lock. Then after press the center locks, you have to put the key into the engine 6 times, take out, then switch ignition on, same time press the center locks and press the lock button within 2 seconds. Everything you have to complete within 2 seconds. Okay, so this no need device, I'm just showing you only. So I'm going to program it. Processor first, press the center lock here. See this example lock, you have to put it the lock. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then switch ignition on, press the lock, then press lock button. Again press the lock button. If you have the more remote, again press the lock and lock button. You have to complete this step within 10 seconds. After switch ignition on, press here lock. Same time you have to press the lock button. If you have the additional remote, again press the lock button, then again press lock here. So this is the remote programming of the Nissan tiida. Also Nissan Petrol, there is a new models. Now this is working. You can check here. This 3 remote I programmed it. 3 of them is working now. Thank you guys.